Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click settings, now click security and logins, and here you'll find it. Just click on it and it will be turned off. That's it, that's how to turn off two-factor authentication on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.